Hi, welcome once again to this online platform. Now let's look at the second example of inverse function which involves powers. So we have f of x equals to x squared minus 7. And we are supposed to get the inverse function of this. We're still going to follow the same 4 steps. So first replace f of x with y. So we have y equals to x squared minus 7. Then we're going to switch x and y around. So we now have x equals to y squared minus 7. Then the third step is to make y the subject. To make the y the subject, we need to get rid of the minus 7 on the right hand side. We do that by adding 7 to both sides so that we can cancel out the minus 7. So x plus 7 equals to y squared. Now to get rid of the 2, because 2 is multiplying y squared, we divide both sides by 2. So we have now cancel out the 2. Y squared is equal to x plus 7 over 2. We are looking for y, not y squared. And the inverse of a square is the square root. Square root of both sides. So we're going to have y is equal to square root of the whole lot, x plus 7 over 2. So we've done step 3. Final step is replace the y with the inverse function notation. So we now have f negative 1 of x, which is the inverse function of x, is equal to square root of x plus 7 over 2. So this is an example of creating an inverse function involving powers. Now let's look at where we have a fraction. How do you create inverse function for that?